Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily edit blocks in your AutoCAD. So let's create couple of blocks, maybe from those options. You can easily create a block like this. So this is about to be our block. So we are going to create it, name it as block number 1. In the previous videos we covered all of these objects that you can really toy around with, but at the moment, yep, just like this. So you see we have a whole object in here. It's a block. If I want to edit it, if I want to, for example, move this object, or I don't know, delete any type of or any part of this object or this block, I need to break it. So how to break it? First of all, I have to scratch in the object or the block and write down explode. It's like explosion or explosive. And you see that we have a couple of options. Once we explode, we can one by one select the object, but it's not a block. That's a good thing actually. So for example, we can do like this and write down, we can move object, specify the base, it's going to be this one, and we can move it like this. Right now, once we're done, we can straight away go and select it back and create a block. For example, B2 will be the name of the block. And right now we have the block again. If we want to move it, I'm going to select the object. Okay, select the point, and we are moving it as it was one. It's quite easy, guys. It will take some practice for sure, but I believe you can get it with my help or with the help of these videos. No one should have any problem of not finishing this object and breaking of objects. So that's about it. And yeah, if you feel like you like the video, press a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and in case of any questions, leave them underneath this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.